Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how to add Mailchimp Popup in WordPress. Now, to do so, it's pretty simple and easy. First of all, make sure that you have integrated WordPress already to your website. I always told you to do so and showed you how to do so. I'm going to show you again. And here we go. Click on here on integration. Go and search for WordPress. Click on WordPress and mention. I have to mention that you need to have an account on WordPress with a premium account and a linked domain name. And of course, the premium account has to get the feature that allows you to add plugins because you will download the Mailchimp plugin in WordPress. So this is the plugin. Click on download. It's going to be a file like this and drag it into your plugin section. Once you have done that, to add a pop-up, go ahead to the campaigns, and here you will find, let me just create, you will find here the sign up form. And what I'm going to do is to choose pop-up form. So as you can see here, now create pop-up form and choose what type of pop-up you would like it to be. Discount, free shipping, content, free consultation, etc. Let's go with discount and click on continue. Here I'm going to pick one of these. Let's go with the speed zone, and this is the design that we would like to go for. I'm going to keep it as it is. You can change the name, click on create form, and this will take you to a page where you can edit the design. So here are the elements that we have. Here are the zoom in and zoom out. I'm going to zoom to 50. I could go here to the left. Let's zoom to fit, or zoom 100. Yeah, this is better. And here we go. This is the design. I could click here and literally change what I have. As you can see, I could type in and the font will not change. Only the text that I'm selecting could be changed. Of course, you could select and change the colors, select the everything that you want, as you can see here. And you can edit even the picture, like replace image from here and replace it with the things that you want. Once you have done that, click on save and review and then click on publish and everything will be good to go. So thank you guys all for watching and see you guys in the next video.